In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block in Obsidian with Day Planner. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow for laying out your day inside Obsidian so your tasks are organized, visible, and easy to follow. Let's start by opening Obsidian on your computer. Make sure you're looking at the vault where you keep your notes. If you're new to Obsidian, think of a vault as the folder that holds all your notes and settings for this workspace. We're going to add a small extension called a community plugin that makes time blocking fast and visual. Open the settings panel using the gear icon, typically found in the lower left of the app. Settings is where you control the features in Obsidian, including community plugins created by the broader user community. Don't worry, you'll keep full control over what gets installed and enabled. Inside Settings, go to Community Plugins. Obsidian may show a brief notice reminding you that these are third-party tools. That's normal. The plugin we're using is popular and well-regarded, but as always, read any notice so you're comfortable with how it works in your setup. Click Browse to open the Community Plugin Marketplace. This is a searchable list of add-ons that expand what Obsidian can do. In the search bar, type Day Planner. You're looking for a plugin designed to help you plan your day on a timeline and keep your schedule in sync with a daily note. When you see Day Planner in the results, click Install. Obsidian will download the plugin into your vault. Installation only takes a moment. After it finishes, click Enable. Enabling turns the plugin on so its panels and commands become available. If you ever want to pause it later, you can come back here to toggle it off without removing it. Once it's enabled, close the plugin browser and return to your workspace. You can also close the settings panel to get a clear view of your notes. Now that Day Planner is active, look to the left sidebar. You should see an option for Day Planner there. Click it to open the Day Planner view. This panel is where you'll do your time blocking and see your daily schedule at a glance while you work. With the Day Planner panel open, look to the left side for the date picker. Click the date you want to plan. Selecting a specific date helps you keep your plans organized by day, and it ensures the plugin creates or updates the correct daily note behind the scenes. Choose today if you're planning right now, or pick a future date if you're preparing ahead. Now, start typing your first task. As you add a task, Day Planner will automatically create a note for that date and add the entry for you. Keep going and add the rest of your tasks for the day. If you already know the order you want, enter them in the sequence you plan to tackle them. You can add as many tasks as you need, and the plugin will keep them neatly tied to the date you selected. A few quick tips for better time blocking as you type. Keep task names clear and specific so you know exactly what you'll do during that block. If a task feels too big, break it down into smaller, focused actions so each block has a single purpose. Add short buffer periods between demanding tasks to reset and avoid running behind. And include breaks. Short pauses help you maintain energy and attention through the day. As you continue adding tasks, you'll see your day take shape in the planner view, and the linked daily note will capture the same list. That way you can glance at the panel while working in any note, or open the daily note if you prefer a full-page view of your plan. If you need to adjust anything, simply edit the task text in the planner and keep moving. That's the complete setup and workflow. You opened Obsidian, enabled community plugins, installed and turned on Day Planner, closed the browser to return to your workspace, opened the Day Planner panel from the left sidebar, chose the date you want to plan, and typed your tasks so a daily note is created automatically. With that, you're ready to time block your days in Obsidian and stay confidently on track.